Hi, everyone. How are you? Hope you are well. So, there was a survey done by Bank of America. They surveyed young people ages 21 to 42 who have $3 million worth of assets. And they came to the conclusion that young people are losing confidence in the stock market. However, they do have 25% investments in the stock market. So, this was a survey done by Bank of America focusing in on ages 21 to 42. And according to their survey, what they discovered is that younger people are moving towards different areas of assets to invest their money instead of just the stock market. And they are looking at three major assets. Number one, uh, cryptocurrency for the young people. So, cryptocurrency, there was a study done by the CFA Institute. It said that 94% of state and government pension plans have invested in crypto. So, according to this survey done by Bank of America, people ages 21 to 42 are investing in crypto and they are putting 15% of their money into crypto if they are younger. And if they're older, they're putting 2% of their money in crypto. So, you know that when it comes to surveys, it's not completely accurate, but this is what they discovered from their survey. The younger people are putting in 15% crypto, older people putting in 2%. So you could have variations there. Like it really doesn't matter what your age is. Some people who are older are still bullish on crypto, and then you have people who are younger, maybe in their 30s, who are doing 2%. So that could be a either or based on your age. But according to this survey, they're finding that ages 21 to 42 are putting 15% in crypto, and people who are older are doing 2% in crypto. So you know me, I have the 1% in crypto. So when you hear the news about people losing all their money in crypto, I still have that 1%. And then the crypto will probably go back up. So it's better to be in it than to not be in it at all. And then just put in what you feel comfortable doing. So some are doing 2%, and then other people are completely bullish on it. Some people have already become millionaires and billionaires by investing in crypto because they took a risk that other people are not taking. So, and you can see them easily just Googling on YouTube. Google Bitcoin billionaires. They're already there. They're already done it. So that is the number one asset. According to this survey, that people ages 21 to 42 are moving towards. Number one is crypto. Number two is real estate. Real estate has a hedge against inflation. Because of the increases in prices of raw materials and labor, new properties are more expensive to build. And then so that's why you see this price of real estate, it is going down a little bit in some areas. Um, like the West, the areas are decreasing at a faster rate than the Midwest. But some areas are decreasing a little bit as far as the price. But because there is a shortage, um, a shortage of homes available, that is one of the reasons why the price is remaining high. Then we also have this high interest rates, high inflation, things like that. So that is number two, real estate. Number three, I thought was interesting, private equity. And so I said, what is private equity? What in the world is private equity? So I looked it up, and guess what I got? I got the answer. So, private equity. Private equity is when you invest in companies that are private. They're not public, meaning that they are not on the stock exchange. So, private equity, putting your money into private companies that are not on the stock exchange. That is private equity. And so, this group 21 to 42, they strongly believe in private equity, that is one of the greatest growth opportunities. One of the greatest ways to grow your money is private equity. So why would someone like you or me not really be familiar with the term, what private equity is? Well, the reason is it is not available to small investors. Private equity is only available to accredited investors. However, you can go into private equity. And so, how would you invest in private equity if they don't make themselves visible, if they are not on the stock exchange? How would you invest in private equity and get access to this way to grow your money? Well, you could approach a brand new company that is developing, and you could invest in that company. That is a private company. So, approaching the company. Or you could buy shares from someone who already has shares in that company. So that is what private equity is. They are private companies that are not on the stock exchange. You cannot go to your app and buy this company. You cannot go to other places and buy this company because they are not public, they're private. Hence, you have private equity. Because this is exclusive, it is only open and available to a certain segment of the population that grows the wealth of people who are already wealthy. Private equity. However, you can find a way to get into private equity by seeking out private companies, perhaps companies that you may know of that are just starting up. Private equity. Number one, crypto. Number two, real estate. Number three, private equity. This is what rich young people are doing to increase their wealth. Again, the survey is from Bank of America, ages 21 to 42. They looked at this group of people with $3 million in assets. So apparently, $3 million is not enough. They have $3 million and they are still investing in these vehicles to grow their wealth. So is 3 million, is that enough for you? I just find that to be very interesting. Then another interesting aspect is the stock market. The title says that they are losing confidence in the stock market. So anytime you see that in the headlines where they are deterring people from investing in the stock market, you know what that means? That means that you need to be investing in the stock market. Don't let anyone or any news deter you from investing in the stock market. All right. So keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for educational, informational purposes only. All right. Thank you for listening. Hit the like button on your way out. Hit the subscribe button on your way out for business ideals. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your night.